The purpose of this video is to give students and parents an idea of how GCSE speaking tests are conducted, how to prepare for them, and how to get the highest marks possible. Speaking tests can be stressful, but being well prepared and knowing what to expect will help to reduce stress and will help build confidence. At Redhill, we follow the AQA exam board for all of our GCSE language courses, and so the format of the speaking test is the same for each language. You will be given a date and a time for your speaking test. It is vital that you check this as soon as you receive it and let your teacher know if there is a problem. The whole test takes between 7 and 9 minutes at foundation tier and 10 to 12 minutes at higher tier. For both tiers, you will be given 12 minutes preparation time. There are 3 parts to the test: a role play, a picture card, and a general conversation. For the general conversation, you will discuss 2 themes. You must choose one of these themes in advance and tell your teacher which one you want. The other theme will not be known in advance and will be different to the theme covered in the photo card. The 3 themes are identity and culture, national, local, international and global areas of interest, current and future study and employment. Your teacher will provide a photo card which is different to the themes for the general conversation. You will be given 12 minutes preparation time, which is supervised under exam conditions. You won't have access to a dictionary, to any of your own notes, to books or to any other resources. You'll be given an additional answer sheet where you may make notes to take into the exam with you. You won't be allowed to talk to anyone about your test. Your teacher will give you a role play card and a photo card to look at. You are not allowed to write on these, but you may make notes on the additional answer sheet to take in with you. The exam itself. There will be just you and your teacher in the room with the voice recorder. Your teacher will introduce you on the recording and will give various official details about the test: your centre number, candidate number, the date and so on. The role play is done first. When you see an exclamation mark, you must respond to something spontaneously. In other words, something you have not prepared in the preparation time. When you see the question mark, you must ask the teacher a question. Your teacher will then move on to the photo card using the target language, and you will be asked 5 questions. The first 3 will be printed on your photo card for you to think about during your preparation time. The first question will most likely ask you what there is in the photo. It's really important then that you learn how to say phrases such as "in the photo there is" or "in the photo there are" in the language that you're studying. You don't want to be worrying about this in the exam. This will help you to get started with confidence. Any vocabulary related to the photograph will be acceptable. Your teacher will then move on to the general conversation. The first theme will be the one that you've chosen in advance, so you should have a good idea of the kind of questions that you'll be asked for this. However, the time must be divided fairly evenly between this theme and the other theme which must be covered.